Ever wondered how kienyeji chicken farming can be both a rewarding hobby and a profitable business venture? Well, today we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of kienyeji chicken farming, an age-old practice that's as intriguing as it is beneficial. Kienyeji, a Swahili term meaning local, refers to indigenous hardy chicken breeds in East Africa, particularly Kenya. These chickens are revered for their resilience, adaptability, and the superior quality of their meat and eggs compared to their commercial counterparts. Diving right in, kienyeji chicken farming starts with selecting the right breed. From the improved kienyeji, the rainbow rooster, to the Kuroiler, each breed boasts unique attributes. Some are excellent layers, others are known for their rapid growth and substantial meat yield. It's essential to choose a breed that aligns with your goals.